Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you'll learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Breyer, and today we are making a delicious rice cooker breakfast quinoa. This is so easy to make. You can set it in the morning when you get up and it will be ready in less than an hour. And it makes 4 servings, but you could double it for 8 servings. It's very delicious and filling. I think you'll love it. The ingredients in this recipe are uncooked quinoa, coconut milk, water, vanilla, maple syrup, cinnamon, and kosher salt, or you could use a salt that you like. All we're going to do is stir all the ingredients together in our rice cooker. So we have 1 cup of uncooked quinoa, a 14-ounce can of coconut milk. You could use regular or a light. This is regular. 1 cup of water, and you could adjust the water after you make it. If you feel like you want it more thin or thick, adjust the water, add more or less. Next, 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla, two tablespoons maple syrup, a half to 1 teaspoon of cinnamon to your taste. I'm going to do like a heaping half, and a half a teaspoon of kosher salt. Also adjust this to your taste. Stir all the ingredients together really well. You can see this is a small rice cooker, but there's plenty of room to double the recipe. If you have a larger rice cooker, triple the recipe. Okay, so turn the rice cooker on. Choose the white rice setting if you have a choice. That's it. We'll be back when it's finished. Our rice cooker breakfast quinoa is finished. Super easy, didn't take long. So let's try it. We're going to stir things together. It smells so good. Okay. Now you can top this, you could just have it as is, or you could top it with fruit, nuts. I happen to have some strawberries already prepared. Have some bananas. Be good with walnuts, almonds. Okay, I'm ready to try it. Well, let me try a bite without the fruit first. Wow, it is so good. I love the texture of quinoa. It's fun to eat. This is a cereal that will stick with you for hours. So if you get hungry in the morning, this is a good choice. This is good for kids too. Take a bite with the strawberries and the banana. Really delicious. So delicious, easy to make. It's good for leftovers. Store it in the fridge and you can reheat it later. It's actually so good you could serve it for dessert, I think. So try it, and I'll see you in the next lesson. So good.